This, my friends, is a lockbox. Well, technically it's a super iBox. And what we do with this is when we list your house for sale, we're going to put one of these on your front door. Inside of it is the key that another realtor will use to open up your front door to show your house to their clients. So you might want to know, how do we get the key inside the lockbox? Pretty simple. This is a container that fits in the bottom of the lockbox. We take your key, put it into this container, and then slide it up into the bottom of the lockbox. And now the key is safe and secure inside the lockbox. The only people who can access this lockbox are licensed real estate agents who have a special app on their phones. Not only does that app open up the lockbox, but it also keeps track of every person, every agent rather, who has opened up the lockbox. Pretty cool, right?